Hey guys, Gadget Droid here. So today, we're checking out something that feels less like your everyday desktop printer and more like a full-on production tool for creators and small businesses. This is the PLK A4 DTF printer with the XP600 Printhead, roll feeder, and the upgraded L8058 transfer system. It's pitched as an all-in-one solution for people who want to dive into DIY t-shirt printing, apparel customization, or even start a small business around custom merch. And I'll be honest, I've looked at quite a few printers in this category before, but what makes this one interesting is not just the printer itself, but the entire bundle it comes with: printer, oven, laptop, consumables, and a unique ink supply deal that could last up to 2 years. Yeah, it's designed so you can hit the ground running, whether you're just starting out or trying to upgrade your setup. Right out of the box, what stands out about the PLK A4 DTF printer is that it's clearly not designed for casual home use. It's compact, 16 inches deep, 14 inches wide, and about 6 inches tall, so it fits on a desktop pretty comfortably, but the functionality packed into this small footprint is definitely aimed at business-minded creators. It uses an Epson XP600 Printhead, which, if you know printers, is one of the big steps up from older heads like the L1800. The XP600 is known for faster production speeds and better consistency. This thing can push out A4 prints in about 3 minutes, which is about twice as fast as some of the previous generation printers in this space. And if you've ever worked with DTF before, you know time is money. The faster you can get your designs out, the more orders you can fulfill, and that really matters if you're trying to build a side hustle or scale your small shop. The included laptop is honestly a smart move. A lot of people underestimate the setup time and technical headaches that come with pairing the right RIP software, drivers, and color management system to a new printer. Here, you just power up, edit your design, click print, and the system is ready to roll. No hunting for drivers, no compatibility issues, and no guessing whether your setup is even optimized for DTF printing. It's a plug-and-play approach that makes sense for people who want to skip the learning curve and focus directly on creating. The prints themselves are where things get even more impressive. The upgraded L8058 motherboard and the XP600 Printhead combine to deliver a maximum resolution of 2880 by 1440p. That's a lot of detail. Colors look vibrant, gradients come through smoothly, and whites are rich enough to pop even on darker fabrics. It's running 6 color channels, CMYK plus 2 white channels, which means you get higher opacity and a stronger base layer for your designs. White ink has always been a tricky part of DTF printing since it can settle and clog easily, but this system includes a white ink stirring mechanism to keep everything flowing and consistent. That reduces downtime and maintenance headaches, which is huge if you've ever had to unclog a printer mid-production. Speaking of maintenance, the printer includes what they call Smart Holiday Mode. Basically, if you're stepping away for a few days or taking a short break, the system auto-maintains the ink flow so the nozzles don't dry up and clog. That's one of those little features that sounds minor, but in practice, it can save you hours of frustration and wasted materials. And if you're treating this as a business investment, that peace of mind is worth it. Now, let's talk about workflow efficiency. The built-in cutter and upgraded roller feeder really smooth things out when you're handling rolls of film. The cutter is a film-saving mechanism that trims precisely, reducing waste, and the roller feeder minimizes jams, which is one of the most annoying bottlenecks when you're printing at scale. These upgrades mean you can run bigger jobs without babysitting the printer constantly. That's the type of design detail that separates a hobbyist machine from something that's actually business-ready. The consumables package here is also kind of wild. Along with the printer, oven, and laptop, you're getting a starter set of inks and powders. But what really caught my eye was their 2-year ink program. You get 5 250ml bottles up front plus 500 grams of hot melt powder, and every 2 months you can reach out to customer service to get a fresh batch of ink shipped to you, just covering the shipping fee. The catch is that this is only available in the US, but if you're eligible, that's basically one less thing you need to worry about when calculating your overhead. Ink costs are one of the biggest ongoing expenses in this field, so having that covered for 2 years is a major perk. In terms of fabric compatibility, this is where DTF really shines compared to traditional sublimation or vinyl. You're not limited to polyester or light fabrics. You can print on cotton, polyester, leather, denim, you name it. That makes this printer versatile for a wide range of products: t-shirts, hoodies, hats, tote bags, shoes, even cushion covers and small home decor items. If you're creative enough, this machine will keep up with you. And that's where the real value proposition comes in. You're not just buying a printer, you're buying a platform to launch products. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are